How to get Hulu Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get premium on Hulu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to get Hulu Premium, it's very simple. All you have to do is go to hulu.com and you will see this type of interface. Here you have two options. You can see both with ads for $9.99 a month, Disney Bundle Duo Basic, or you have Disney Bundle Trio Basic, which is $12.99 a month. Depending upon what you want, you can just select get them both or get all there. But if you only want to create an account, you can just select sign up option. But since you want to get a subscription as well, you can click on the get all three option over here. Once you select the get all three or get all both, depending upon what you like, first of all you have to create your Hulu account and choose your plan, right? So once I've selected the plan, I'll just click the select option. Now all I need to do is simply make sure to enter my email as well as my password that I would like to use. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once done, you can simply enter your name, and then after that make sure to enter your birth date. Once you enter your birth date, what you need to do is on the next specific page you have to make sure to enter your gender. After you've done that, you click the continue button. On the next page it will ask you to fill in your payment information, and once you fill in your payment information, you will be able to successfully sign in or finish creating Hulu account, and then you would have gotten Hulu Premium. That's all it takes to get Hulu Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.